Thank you so much. And yep, small businesses driving our economic growth. That's what it's about. So that's a great job, Tim. All right, our next one is Jeff Leismer, founder and CTO of VibeTech LLC. And this is a development of devices for vibration therapy in collaboration with UW-Stout.
Well, yes, thank you very much for introducing my company here. VibeTech is a company that I started after I had a great advisor at Michigan Tech that was working with astronauts coming back from space and relaying all of the different problems that they had physiologically due to reduced gravity. I'd already worked on one project for him when I decided to take on a project to help fight bone loss. And I developed the first gravity-independent vibration therapy device, which was the foundational component of VibeTech. And over the years, I've developed the technology. Now with the support of the UW system, we were able to win not only a National Institutes of Health Small Business Innovation Research Award, but we also supplemented that with the Wisconsin Small Company Advancement Award. And Dr. Nader Sahar, who's over here, is also a bone researcher like myself, came on board the company as a UW-Stout employee to work full-time towards helping us get this commercialized. So what the technology does is it delivers mechanical vibrations to the body in a finely tuned manner in order to cause involuntary muscle contractions through the tonic vibration reflex. So what that does then is that it means that you can actually deliver a workload to the body so that people are actually becoming physically active without having to put forth any effort whatsoever. And at the same time as the muscles are responding and becoming more activated, we're also causing the bones to remodel to a stronger state through the dynamic loading that's acting on them. So a lot of studies now have been showing the benefits of vibration on bone, showing that you can increase bone mineral density. And what we're hoping for is that we'll be able to take the most disabled individuals, the people that are most at risk of suffering a debilitating hip fracture, that, mind you, 25% of men that suffer, or women that suffer a hip fracture will die within a year from the physical inactivity that they encounter, and 37% of men will die within a year after a hip fracture. So a device like what you see pictured up here may very well be used by an individual that has recently suffered a hip fracture to start out at a very low weight-bearing load applied to the legs with a very low intensity vibration at the correct frequency range to cause the muscles to contract so that they're getting a workload on their body that's in a safe but efficacious level. And over time, we can progress that patient through progressive treatments to be able to get them to have, to restore their physical function and get back to normal quicker. And so that's what our goal is. We're trying to also work a little bit here with the WISMEF program, where we're hoping to engage them to enable some of our work. And it's been such a fantastic endeavor. And I thank M. very much for his ability to help make a lot of this happen. So it's, let's give him another round of applause here. Yeah.